Hi, welcome back to Whimsy Crafter. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create tons of money plant saplings from your existing money plant using just water. And many people have problems in propagating money plants through cuttings in water. So if you are someone who has such problems, this video is for them. And towards the end of this video, I have added some bonus tips so that you can ensure that your cuttings thrive. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to Whimsy Crafter and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video useful. So when you first look at your money plant, you will see that new growths emerge out of the money plant in the form of clumps, like this clump over here. I am going to cut right below the roots that emerge on these stems. So I'll choose out clumps like this which extend from the stems with a tiny bit of root sticking out of it, and these will very well help me to propagate the money plant cuttings in water. Choosing the particular portions from the money plant which you will propagate is actually very important. So these are the cuttings that I have as of now. This is my golden pothos from where I have taken the cuttings, and I have taken few more cuttings also. See, there are root tips growing from the branches already. So now what I'll do is I'll remove the lower set of leaves from these cuttings, because this stalk that is sticking out, that is going to go into the water. If I don't remove the leaves, then these leaves will touch water and they will rot. So you have to do the same with all the cuttings. So see, the lower stalks do not have any leaves in any of the cuttings that I have taken. So first you need to prepare your cuttings in this manner. So here are all my cuttings. Next thing that you have to do is you have to arrange all these cuttings in a bunch. Okay? Trim it together so that they can come together, and then tie it like this, lightly, loosely, not too tightly, with a rubber band. This rubber band is very loose, that is why I am tying it so many times. Then you need to take a cup, a deep cup like this, fill it with water halfway through and place the cuttings in it, and then you need to keep this in a brightly lit area which receives indirect sunlight. This result I am showing you is the result of the cuttings after 2.5 weeks, and you see how much the roots have grown. The roots have grown really well, and this cutting that I am showing you, this result is actually the result after a full month. If I remove the clump from the cup right now, you will see how much the root has grown ever since the last update clip that I showed you. The roots have grown really well, and the plant has also grown really well. So this is the entire procedure. It is very simple. There is nothing difficult. And after this, I'll come to the tips. So first tip I would like to share is that please don't use transparent cups or mugs. In nature, a normal plant's roots remain underneath the ground because roots need darkness to grow. So that you should choose a cup like this which is deep enough and which is opaque so that light does not travel through. Otherwise, this can hinder root growth. Next tip that you need to keep in mind is that you can add some stones to the bottom of the cup in which you are placing your cuttings. Stones will help the emerging roots by providing them some support so that they can proliferate and grow better. The third and the last tip that I want to share with you is that you should change the water in the cup every alternate day. If you don't change the water, it might catch fungus and the cuttings in the water might rot. Thank you so much for watching. For any queries, please comment down below.